वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मास्टरिंग कॉमर्स एकेडमी। आज हम पढ़ेंगे टैली एमसीक्यू सीरीज का पार्ट 11th, जो कि बीबीए, बीकॉम, एमबीए, एमकॉम और अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स लाइक जूनियर ऑडिटर, अकाउंट असिस्टेंट इन सब के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज लेक्चर। Question number 1 is shortcut for changing the date in Tally is F12, F2, Alt plus D, Alt plus F1. So here the correct answer is F2. Next question is which is used to create stock items? Accounts info, inventory info, display, company info. So here the stock item is the item which comes under inventory. So correct answer is B, inventory info. Next question is gateway of Tally, then display, then trial balance shows profit only, assets only, all account balances, GST only. So here the correct answer is all account balances. Next question is cost center are used to track location of stock, allocate expenses by departments, display VAT, print vouchers. Cost centers are used to allocate expenses by departments. Next question is in Tally, Alt plus G is used for shut company, change date, go to feature, generate report. So here the correct answer is go to feature. C is the correct answer. Next question is shortcut for help in Tally Prime is F1, Alt plus H, Control plus H, Alt plus F1. So here the correct answer is Control plus H. Next question is Tally allows up to how many groups under accounts? 28, 32, 30, 29. So here the correct answer is A, 28 groups. Question number 8 is what is the maximum number of stock items you can create in Tally Prime educational mode? Unlimited, 100, 10 or 5. So here the correct answer is 5. Next question is voucher entry screen accessible from display, gateway of Tally then vouchers, inventory info, company info. So here the correct answer is B, gateway of Tally then vouchers. Next question is which menu in Tally is used to activate or deactivate GST features? F12 then configuration, Alt plus K then features, F11 then features, inventory info. So here the correct answer is F11 then features. C is the correct answer. Question number 11th is the shortcut to create a new voucher from the voucher screen is Alt plus V, Alt plus C, Control plus V, Alt plus A. So here the correct answer is Alt plus C. B is the correct answer. Next question is the closing stock value is shown in which financial report? Profit and loss account, cash flow, balance sheet, day book. The closing stock value is shown in which financial report? So here the correct answer is balance sheet. Next question is outstanding receivables report is generated for customers, vendors, employees, government. Outstanding receivables report is generated for customers. A is the correct answer. Next question is which of the following is a non-cash voucher? Receipt, payment, contra, journal. Which is the non-cash voucher? So here the correct answer is D, journal. Question 15 is the shortcut for viewing company features is F11, F12, Alt plus F3, Control plus F11. So here the correct answer is A, F11. This is a bonus question for you. You have to answer this question in the comment section below. Tally Prime uses which architecture? Multi-layered, modular, monolithic, object oriented. So please comment कीजिएगा इसका आंसर. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and share this lecture and comment down below कि आपको ये lecture कैसा लगा. And subscribe to the channel Mastering Commerce Academy. Thank you so much for watching. And इसके अलावा भी अगर आप किसी और टॉपिक पर वीडियोस चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिएगा. मैं उसके रिगार्डिंग भी वीडियोस बना दूंगी. And thank you so much for your feedback.